Hey there! In this short video, we will show you how to use the PicMine Online Photo Mosaic Maker to create high-quality mosaics. We will start with this picture of a bird and a broad set of different pictures. And create this photo mosaic of the bird from that set of pictures. Let me zoom in a little to show you more detail in this mosaic. Let's get started. Open www.picmine.com and go to the Online Photo Mosaic Maker. First, select a size for your mosaic. You can choose from a wide range of sizes. For this example, let us use 36 inches by 24 inches size. Second, we will select the main picture that we're trying to build using the smaller photos. Choosing an excellent main picture is very important because your ultimate output quality depends on this. Let me show you a couple of examples of good main pictures. Notice how both of them have a large central object that covers a majority of the image. This is an example of a bad main picture because there are too many small faces and no sizable central object. Now we will add the small pictures that'll be used to make the large picture. Always use as many small pictures as you can, because a large number of small pictures results in a better output mosaic. If you want, you can also use the sample tile pictures that we've provided. You can optionally change the number of rows and columns. It is generally better to use more rows and columns for a better output mosaic. Now let us generate our mosaic. It will take a few minutes for our super intelligent algorithms to create the mosaic layout. Please sit back and relax. Once our systems have created your mosaic, you can download a print quality JPG image for a small fee. Additionally, you can free download a watermarked version of the same high-quality JPG to check if you like the output mosaic quality. Have a great time making photo mosaics online on www.picmine.com.